Hey guys, Brandon from RC Flyer here. Got a new toy. I'm here in New Hampshire visiting my dad, and he surprised me with a new toy. Check it out, guys. The brand new Grom Quake. Picked this up. I'm so psyched. My dad's awesome. Yes. So let's do an unboxing. This thing is supposed to be great, what I've seen online. It'll go with my Grom collection. I can't wait to bash this. I got the new Proline ramps that are coming too, so it'll be a good complement with this truck to try it out. So let's see. All right, guys, let's open her up and see what we have inside. All right. Oh wow, look at this truck. Look at this thing. High up. I believe it's got two body clips that you pull out. You push, and you push the rear, and the body comes right out, guys. Look at that, battery's already in there. Unique system, guys. It actually goes in sideways, the battery. Two clips hold it on. Just to maximize space, so the battery goes right in there, comes all together, it's ready to run. Perfect. Snap it back in. Awesome. And then the body, I believe, would probably just pop right back on if I do it right. Just get in the grooves, and just like that. I love these quick connect, no clips, no anything to put the body on. Check this out. Oh yeah, yeah. Look at that truck. Awesome, awesome, awesome. What else is in the box? Let's see what else goodies we have. We will have your standard Spectrum transmitter. I like that they put the green so I know what I'm gonna be driving if I have others. It's the SLT2 remote. Super, super nice. They even comes with, it comes with a charger. It actually comes with batteries. Good job. Batteries, a small tool. I've got a million of these if you guys collect. Oh, you got a little hex tool by Arma. That's good. This is if you don't have a fast charger, this is the charger it comes with. I never use these. I've got a good charger. And the pamphlet. Directions. Who needs directions, right? All right, let's get her charged up and run. All right, guys, first run with the Grom Quake. Let's do it. By Arma. It's 2S, LiPo. Little water, we got some rain, so I gotta watch out. Don't wanna get it wet. Woo! It's got some power for a brushed system. Definitely has got some power. Oh yeah. Let's try to jump this right here. There we go. Woo! Don't want to get her muddy at all. All right. See what we got here. Little rocks. I like the big tires on this. She'll take a beating. Oh yeah. Donuts. 4-wheel drive. Unlike the new Quake, which is 2 or 3S, that's 2S, this is 4S. I'd love to get the regular Quake. Woo! Does have some power. Hard pack. There we go. We'll launch it off of that. Well, that wasn't much of a launch. Let's launch it. Woo! It'll get up. Got some good power. Oh, don't want to hit that rock. I'll definitely do some carnage. Whoop. She takes it. There was a good jump. She takes it. Pretty good. Good shocks on this. Good stock shocks. Likes to flip over a little bit though. Bring her over here. Just gotta keep her out of the water. Full speed. She rips. Definitely has some power. Oh yeah. All right guys, in the description, let me know what you think about the new Grom Quake by Arma. Thing hauls for a little guy. Can't wait to get her home and take her off some of my jumps. All right, gonna take the Grom Quake out for a spin at the local sand pit. Wheelie time. Fun little car. Again, if you like what you saw, please hit that like and subscribe button. Until the next one, thanks for watching.